Hello guys, Tech Enthusiastic here. In this video, we will solve another LeetCode problem 253, meeting rooms 2. So this problem definition is given an array of meeting time intervals consisting of start and end time. We want to find the minimum number of conference rooms required to hold all these meetings. So example 1 is 0 to 30, the time, and 5 to 10 and 15 to 20. From here actually we can easily merge two meetings in one room, that is 5 to 10 and 15 to 20. So we actually need only two meeting rooms. Same as for example 2, actually if the meeting start at 2 and end at 4, and we can easily hold another meeting after 4, that is 7 to 10. So this problem is a little bit variation of March interval, another LeetCode problem. I will add the description of that video link in the description. So how we will solve it? So let's add some corner cases. If our intervals is null or length is so for this case we don't need any meeting room, so we will return 0. So to schedule the meeting, what we will do, actually we will sort all the intervals, that means the meeting duration, based on the starting time. So how we can do that? We can use the arrays sort functionality, which will sort all the intervals. The comparator would be if they're based on the start point. So the value of A0 of B0. So what this will do, actually it will sort all the intervals based on the starting time of the meeting. Now we need to use another data structure to hold all the meeting rooms. So we will use a data structure called priority queue. And the comparator would be, we want to remove the interval from the priority queue which has been ending last. So in that case our comparator would be a so what we are saying that actually based on the endpoint we want to remove the item from the priority queue. So we will add the first interval now. Into our priority queue. For other element of the an array. So whenever we are considering any item, so we can think about, this is a current item we want to check, which is the intervals of this ith location. What we want to do, we want to check the item in the priority queue which meeting is ending first. So we can think of our end first would be pq.pick. We don't want to remove it right now. We just want to pick the value. Now if we find out that the end time, so for our current meeting we are considering if this start time is greater than or equal the end time of that the meeting which was already assigned in the priority queue, we want to remove the item and we want to add this meeting to the priority queue. And if it is not, then actually we will just add this to the current. And finally it should be all the different number of, so it should be the length of the priority queue. I think that's all. Let's check if there is any compilation error. So there should not be any parenthesis here. Let's see if it goes well. Yep, it has been accepted. We can do some other modification here, so we don't need this pq.add all the time. What we can do, we can remove this whole part and for all the condition actually we can add it back here. Let's submit it again. Yep, it's accepted. So thank you very much for watching this video. Feel free to like and share the video, or you can subscribe to my channel to get latest update about the LeetCode solution. Until then, thanks.